Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to WatchWire News, folks. Today we're talking about setting up your Apple Watch sleep tracking. Are you tired of feeling tired all the time? Do you want to know if you're getting enough rest? Well, you're in luck because with just a few simple steps, you can start tracking your sleep and waking up feeling refreshed and revitalized. First things first, head over to the Watch app on your iPhone and select Sleep. Tap Use this watch for sleep, and then choose Manage Sleep Focus in Settings. Next, tap Next Schedule, edit Sleep Schedule in Health to open up the sleep settings in the Health app. Now, if you want to get started right away, just toggle on Track Sleep with Apple Watch. Now, let's set our schedule. Select Set Your First Schedule and specify your daily bedtime and wake-up hours. Tap Add when you're done. And don't forget to move that toggle beside Use Schedule for Sleep Focus to enable your sleep schedule. Under Full Schedule, tap Edit to add or change a daily bedtime and wake-up time. You can even add an additional schedule for the weekends if you like. Now, let's customize our wind down time. Tap under Additional Details and adjust how long you want to wind down before bed. And don't forget, by default your sleep goal, sleep reminders, and sleep results are active. So, take a minute to review them and make sure they're set the way you like. Now that we've got our schedule set up, let's talk about how it works. Your Apple Watch and iPhone work together to track your sleep, including those 3 crucial stages: REM, core, and deep. And with the Sleep app on your watch, you can view your sleep history and see how much rest you're getting. But before we get started, remember to keep that battery level at least 30% during bedtime for proper logging. And don't forget to update your watchOS to track your sleep accurately. Apple began offering this feature with watchOS 8, so make sure you're running the latest version. That's it. With these simple steps, you can start tracking your sleep and waking up feeling refreshed and revitalized. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how much better you feel in no time. Thanks for watching WatchWire News.